took the students to a agribusiness intensive area that was a model for agribusiness, coffee farming, which is known to be destructive, clear cutting of the land, and to examine how that community has interceded with the land and how the coffee farmers have preserved a portion of the farm to protect the biodiversity of the area.
This is the fruit juice. So the fruit is pretty much the seed. There's no pulp to it. Always two. Sometimes three, sometimes one. Yeah.